Code Quest. Like, share, subscribe our channel for more knowledge on MySQL.
Hi guys, let's see if you are facing any problem with respect to MySQL, how to uninstall and install it back. Okay, so the first step, go to search bar and search for control panel. Okay, so this is my control panel. In this, you have the programs, right? Just select this, uninstall a program. In uninstall program, just go down, you can see there is a installer, server, shell, and workbench. So these are the 4 items which needs to be uninstalled. So you will get a confirmation pop-up. Just click on yes. And coming to server also click on right click and do uninstall. Click on yes, you will get a confirmation pop-up, which is not shown in this video. Just click on yes for that. So the server will be uninstalled. So server got uninstalled. Now again, right click on the shell and click on uninstall. Yes. On the confirmation pop-up also yes. Then this will get uninstalled.
Subscribe now.
So shell is going to take a bit more time because it is having 431 MB.
Subscribe now.
Okay, and at last we need to uninstall the workbench. Right click and just click on yes. Can click on the yes on the confirmation pop-up as well. And you can see it will take very less time to uninstall because it has only 163 MB. After uninstalling here, what is the next step? Just go to your file explorer and go to the C drive. In C drive, you can see there is a program files. In program files, you have the MySQL folder. Right click and just delete this folder as well. So which is very important to delete this, or else you will not be able to again install because the separate server, virtual server will be created on your local. Again, go back, you have the view option, click on show and click on this hidden items. So once you do this, click on show and click on the hidden items, you can see there is a program data. This folder will not be visible by default. You have to, hidden items should be shown. So then you will be able to see
Subscribe
the
now.
MySQL again, right click and again click on delete. So you will be able to delete the MySQL folder. So this is how you need to delete and then start installing as a fresh MySQL. Thank you for watching.